By this point, everyone knows how to use a touchpad, or sometimes called trackpad, to move the mouse around and even to select something by clicking on it. But there are a lot of actions you can do with two fingers. So let's start with the pinch to zoom in and zoom out. So when you zoom in and out, you can do this just like you can on a tablet, you can do on a touchpad or a trackpad. So you can see what that looks like whenever we zoom in and we zoom out using those actions. Another thing you can do with two fingers is, of course, scrolling up and down on a page so that you can scroll with your fingers on longer websites. Now, depending on the touchpad settings, it might scroll in a different direction. You can change these in the settings if you want to have either traditional or a setting called Australian. An Australian setting means that whenever you scroll down like this, the website will scroll down. So that's the Australian setting. Not lying, promise you. It's right there. It's on the settings. It's an Australian. Another action you can perform with two fingers is to simulate a right click by tapping with two fingers on the trackpad. That will be the same as right clicking with a mouse. So if you wanted to right click on something, then you would move your cursor over a link or an image, and then you would two finger tap, and then that would bring up the right click menu. And finally, maybe this is one you don't know, you can navigate in your browser by two finger swiping right and swiping left to go back and forward in your browser. So by going from the left to the right, we go backward in our navigation, and then opposite when we swipe to the left.